This is how Profilyt dashboard look. It is super simple. Everything is on the left side. If you have to do something, you just click on the sidebar and you can go directly there. So let's say you are a company, you have your logo, you can add the logo directly. Just click on branding, just upload the logo, and yeah, you can add also a welcome message. So when the person starts chatting, the welcome message can also uh, kind of be the greeting that the agent will use. Now, one thing that is super important is the evaluation criteria. So, if you are a company or you are an incubator, like you can put all of your criteria over there. So the agent will use your criteria during the conversation with your prospect or clients before kind of use it to kind of score your prospect based on your evaluation criteria. So even if you have different chart or different form on our platform, you can add different criteria. Let's say your criteria for companies is that they have at least a website or have a revenue. That can be something that you can add there. Let's say you have another forum or chat that is more focus on maybe the candidate hiring or candidate. Then you can say in our company we only hire that. So you just put all the criteria of your organization, and the AI will take in consideration that, like when he will be chatting with your client. So now let's see how we can create a chat or a chat link to send it to a prospect. First, you just click on my form and then you click on new form. If you already have different form or different chat, you can just copy the link and then send it to them. The link is still the same. You don't need to send every time a new link, a new link, a new link for the same chat. You send just this chat, and then automatically people who come or click on it, they will just directly start using it, and it is fine like that. So let me try to create a new form. We will need to give a name to the form so we can know where it come from. We can say Canada startup qualification form, something like that. And then you have two options. You can create all the charts from scratch, or maybe let the AI generate the questions that your chat can ask. So in our case, we will go with the manual one because the AI one is easier. So just click on start from scratch. But if you want, you can go with the AI or try the AI also. So now let's say I want to add a question. It is easy. You just click on add a question, and you can ask there what is your startup name. This is a test question. And now, like, we have this checkbox. This checkbox, it is like if you really want like the person to kind of put exactly you want like on the profile to see the exact answer of the person for that question, you click there that it is required. So when the chat is the agent is talking with your clients, he can know that this question he need to ask them, because based on the conversation, the AI can decide if this question is appropriate or not. But if you click on this checkbox, automatically like the agent don't have any choice, he will ask this question, right? So something easy like that. But the others question that you put not required, he can decide based on the conversation, but he will still build your profile. So we can add another question like yeah, let's say we want to collect the logo also during the chat. I will say provide your logo, right? And then I can click on file upload because a logo is a file upload. And then I will I will say that okay, this is required. It's just few questions that I'm putting there, so it should be okay. Now I can add another question like are you based in Canada? Are you based in Canada? right? And this is a yes or no. If you want, I can leave it. The AI will decide. Okay, and now I added the question. So now, if you I want, I can start testing it. I have the link there that I can copy and paste and do whatever I have to do. Or I have also the QR code that I can automatically kind of download. Or if I want, I can just click there and open the text. But me, in my case, I will just copy the link and then try it somewhere else. And then we will see how the chats look. So it is super simple. You see the welcome message. If you want, you can add your own welcome message from the dashboard. But let's just have a small chat. Yes. What's your startup name? My startup name is Profilyt. Provide your logo. I hope I have some logos. Just let's try. I'm going to use something. Okay, some logos. Let's see. Okay, let me use something like that last logo. It's fine. It is just all these images. So when the person need to upload, he just click upload. And then the AI is asking me if I'm based in Canada. I will say yes. I'm getting based in Canada. And then done. The profile is done. I can come back to my dashboard. I can go back to my dashboard, click on back to dashboard, and I can see all the generated profile, right? You see, it's showing that this person have a 100% of fit score because the person is based in Canada, right? And I can download it, I can preview it, I can add a notes like, I think this is for Profilyt team. It is up to you, and then you click save. You have the AI evaluation criteria that we already talked. You have the welcome message that you can update. You can do whatever you want. We talk about the logo. It is super simple, and you will see that it generates a wonderful, beautiful profile. I can try to open one, and we will see. Yes, sir. Yeah, Profilyt is a Canadian-based startup. Okay, the fee score 100%. The name, and then patati patata. And then even the file that he uploaded, the file is over there. So this is how it looks, but the profile can be more summarized depending on how many questions you ask. But for now, this is what it generated, and this is little bit how this profile is. You see, we have different score based on your evaluation criteria and how the AI think that it is a fit or not. So this is a little bit about Profilyt. Thank you so much and have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful day.